Roque on downtown! Iba ka, Mr. Roque! One time out lang kayo. 8 on the shot clock. On downtown! New Jersey Jets. Double 77. Lays it in! Number 8. Corion to Roque. Good for 2. On the third quarter, Salazar. Lays it in. Good for 2. Roque. Roque lilipad! Bringing the ball down. Lays it in. Good for 2. Bitay pipihit. Gandang pasa to Roque. Layo yan. Downtown. Jersey Jets. Roque. Pull up Jets. Lays it in. Baby, let's. Lays it in. Good for Salazar. Salazar. Peek out pass. Santos on downtown. On Mr. Santos. Miranda. Magnanakaw play. Lays it in. Santos unang gusto. Pa rin. Reset 14. Roque. Pipi hit sa gitna. Good for 2 on Bugeron. Lilipad. Basket down tayo dyan. Bigay Jambro between jersey number. Nakuha first ball, nakagaw. First ball to the pocket. Jason Santos unang gusto para kay Mr. Santos. And on the shot clock, Miranda to Francisco, gandang pasahan naman para sa Turbo. It's a good for 2. 12 deadlock. So Santos, foul committed the number. Second try, Mr. Santos. It's good. 15 on the shot clock. Kick out pass, Vital. Pasa sa gitna, Francisco. Pull up, JD, good. Wala pa rin. Reset 14. Roque, pipi hit sa gitna. Good for 2 on Mr. Roque. 3 by Turbo. Change favor. Salazar. Kick out pass. Santos on downtown. On Mr. Santos. Miranda. Magnanakaw play. Good for 2 on Mr. Miranda. Lays it in. Baby, lay up para kay Mr. Roque. Good the shot. Santos. Lays it in. Good for 2 on Mr. Santos. Basic basketball para kay Mr. Santos. 8 all deadlock. Zerano pa rin on Mr. Salazar. Layo yan. Downtown. Jersey number 0, Salazar. On jersey number 2, Serrano. Bring the ball down. Bugeron. Lilipad. Basket down tayo dyan. Okay na ba? It's 10-15 the first quarter. 13-8. 5-point lead, New Jersey Jets. Roque, pull up J. Good for 2 on Mr. Roque. Rebound. Hayon, forward pass. Vital. Ihabaw whistle. Technical tayo dyan. Bawal yan. Bawal yan, sir. Ay, salamat po sa mga nakatapak sa guhit. Jersey number 0, Vital, pipihit. Gandang pasa to Roque. Good for 2, Roque. Jersey number 0, Salazar. Salazar on Santos. Basic basketball para sa kanya. Good for 2. Basic lang para kay Mr. Santos. Jersey number 8, Santos na naman. Whistle tayo dyan. Our play 15-12, 3-point lead. New Jersey Jets. Second throw. Mr. Basic. Good for Salazar. 5 to shoot. Long run. No good. Reset on 14. Tokero, put back. Good play on Mr. Tokero. Rebound Valencia to Salazar. Tatakbo na. New Jersey Jets. 3-on-1 situation. There no. Good for 2. Mr. Pero big rebound on Salazar. 2 minuto tayo. 2 minutes on top. First quarter. Really pod. I'm out. Salazar. 2-4. Tokero plays the ball down. Forward pass. Push him no good. Push him it. 7-4-2 on jersey number 26. Ali Burung. Jersey number 25. Ali Burung. Tokero. Gandang pasahan. Good ball movement. Second try. Second throw. It's hit. 7-7 Miranda. Forward pass. Nagawan Tokero. 3-on-1 situation. Tokero little bad. And 15 on the shot clock, 25 seconds time remaining on the first quarter, 10 on the shot clock, 8 on the shot clock. Nakalusot, Vital, good for 2. Shot clock 28-14, favor of New Jersey Jets. Carry on, drag pass, Francisco, it's a good for 2. 15 on the shot clock. 1-3 on Mr. Alimong. Jersey number 23 is hitting and a foul committed. 10 on the shot clock. Tokero susubok. 3 on Mr. Tokero. Shot clock. Nakagawan na naman. Ancheta lays it in. Good for 2. Stand by. The jersey number. Ancheta. Ancheta. Ay, gandang pasa niyan. Lusot na lusot. Good for there, Mr. Alimurong. 10 on the shot clock. Miranda. 5 on the shot clock. Kick out. Roque on downtown. 3 on Mr. Roque. Alimurong. Bad pass nakuha Mr. Vital. Vital bringing the ball down. It's a good play on Mr. Vital. Salazar lumusot. Tired is good. Salazar pa rin. Kick out Serrano. Serrano fire. Wala pa rin. Mr. Basic and a foul committed in first throw. Second quarter. 39-22, Vital, long one, Vital, 3 on Mr. Vital. And sige, number 10, Tokero, nakakara, whistle, and crowd to the number. Arion, drive in the middle, good for 2 on Mr. Carion. Whistle foul, duty foul committed. Second try. And again, Vital and Carion, 18 on the shot clock. Francisco pull up Jake. Papiso-piso mula kay Mr. Francisco. Yan, 9-point lead by New Jersey Jets. 15 on the shot clock. Salazar on downtown. In and out. Rebound, Pusong. Pusong, good for 2. 29. Knockout play. Good for 2 on Mr. Tokero. Condition na condition. 44-31, number 14 Mercado. On Francisco, Papiso-piso. Mula kay Mr. Francisco. Time remaining. 10 on the shot clock. Take out Mr. Tokero. It's a good. Tokero pa rin! Alwaka, Mr. Tokero. Miranda. And Vital, papiso-piso na naman. No good. Rebound Roque. Roque pick and fire. No good. 10 on the shot clock. Mercado. It's a good for 2. 10 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. On Mr. Salazar and the good. Rebound, Roque. Roque bringing the ball down. Lays it in. Good for 2, Roque. Salazar sumasayaw. Lays it in. May sumabit pa. Foul tayo dyan. Foul committed the number. Tony shot. Salazar. It's good on the third quarter. 15 on the shot clock. And it's ball. Good for 2. Arion. 15 on the shot clock. Arion running Jay. Good for 2 on Mr. Arion. Rebound. Together pa rin. Together pa rin ang bola. Uy. Okay, relax lang ho. Relax lang ho. Sa mga audience po, tsaka sa mga manonood, relax. Ano lang, relax. Sige, rep. Dito na, rep. Dito muna, rep. First throw. Technical shot. Spacing, good. Rebound. Miranda. Forward pass. Version number 5. Bitay. Basket tayo. Golden Berberens. Okay, Golden Berberens. Pass. Rebound. Miranda. Roque. Roque Lilipad. Basket tayo dyan. Basket count. Number 2, Serrano. Trading the shield down to 10. Good for 2, Salazar. Number 77, Miranda. Pass to Roque. Roque. Naging Santiago. Good for 2. Number 8, Corion to Roque. Good for 2. Lima na lang ang kalabangan ng New Jersey Jets. Corion binigay kay number 23, Roque. From the drive down. Salazar ang pupuntos. To Mr. Salazar. First shot is good. 56-53 of Pijong score. We were up New Jersey Jets. Number 77. Deadlock na po tayo. 56 all. Yan ang si Mr. Corion ang benta ng bola. He can first finish looking for receiver. Pasada ba? Vidal number 0. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Roque. Ay, Roque on down. And this way, okay. Bang. Jersey number 10 to get a fire. The good in and out. Valencia. Ripper shot. Good for 2. 61-58. Number 2, Serrano. Whistle foul, penalty, personal foul. Free throw on Mr. Serrano. Good again. Topic, rebound, shot ball. Isang minuto tayo. 1 minute on the third quarter. Salazar. Plays it in. Good for 2 on Mr. Salazar. Okay, change favor. 62-61. 1-point lead, New Jersey Jets. Miranda. It's a good for 2 on Mr. Miranda. 25 seconds time remaining on the third quarter. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Plays it in! Good for 2, Totero. Change favor. 63, 1-point lead para sa New Jersey. Roque on downtown! Iba ka, Mr. Roque! Okay, so Roque for 3. Ayan, jersey number 10, Totero. Number 2, Serrano! Good jersey! Okay, deadlock shot. 4 shot yan, jersey number 10, Totero. Time out! Santos 10 on the shot clock. Alikay Totero. 8 on the shot clock. Totero pa rin. Mundi kang makagawan. 4, Yay! It's a whistle foul committed on jersey number. Foul, basket. Pa rin. Apat pa rin yan. Agawan, muntiga na pa. Pisa. It's a whistle for Francisco. The shot clock. 8 on the shot clock. Tugero on downtown. No good. Here's a 14. Tugero pa rin. Tugero is good. Dalawan, Mr. Tugero. Sabi sila 8 on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Dalawa, reset. Here's the number. Sige, uli. Dalawa. It's a race for 2. Dalawa ulit. 2.3 New Jersey Jets on the shot clock. Long one, no good. Reset, 14. Nice, and there's 1 seconds on the shot clock. Long one, Tugero, no good. Reset, 14. Long one, okay, no good. Reset. Akuha, there's the number 2, Serrano, 3 on 1. Serrano stop and fire. Good for 2. On the shot clock. There's another Carrion. Good for 2. Mr. Carrion. $74-72. Dalawa lang. 2-point lead. New Jersey Jets. 10 on the shot clock. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 on the shot clock. Gandang pasa naman. No good for lahat ang tama. Ay, nagawan! Santos! Nagawan! Bolang! Hindi! Bola! Tapin ka ng bola! Serrano! Ang Santos! Good! Same ball! Ay, 15 on the shot clock. 50 New Jersey Jets. 8 on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Good! Okay, time remaining! Yes! 26 dapat. Ayan na. Carrion, no good. 4 shot. Pagkatapos. 15 on the shot clock. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Betong Nemo ah. 1 timeout lang kayo. 8 on the shot clock. On down. Time out. Arasa. Turbo. Game lang ahot. Kami sabay-sabay Miranda. Ayan! Sa 29, sa 22. Ayan, Mr. Tugero bringing the ball down. Alam ko to, si Mr. Tugero, mataas ang IQ sa basketball. You see, Joy, ang taas ang IQ, Mr. Tugero. 10 on the shot clock. Hindi mahabol! Kondisyon! Mr. Tugero, iba ka! Alright! Okay, all good! Salamat, Turbo, and congratulations! Good work,